Hi, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to enable voice chat on Roblox. So all you need to do first of all is just go and open the browser. Sorry, if you don't have Roblox in your PC, first of all, you'll need to go and open the browser to download the Roblox application. So of course, if you don't have it, just go and open your browser, type roblox.com, then sign up or create your account if you don't have an account. If you have it, just go and log in into it, and then they will provide you with the link if you want to download it on your PC. So of course you will need to download it to start following this tutorial. So once it's downloaded on your PC, just go and run it or open it, and you will need to log in again into your account when you open it actually here. So of course when you do that, you'll find this as your home or as your main screen. Maybe you will have here different games, not like me here, and from here you can actually enable the voice chat on the Roblox. So how can you do that? Simply you will need to click at join in a game. First, let's as an example, I want to join this one. Let's just join it and click at play, and let's just wait until it loads correctly. Let's just wait a bit. It will not take too much time, and it will be now. Yeah, as you can see, now it's loaded. So of course, once you are on the game, you will need to hit the escape button, and from here you would like to go to the settings option. So from the settings option, you would like to go to the privacy tab. So of course, if you scroll down, as you can see, you will not find any like privacy option right here, right? So of course, if you didn't find this in the game, that means you will need to quit first of all. Let me just quit it, leave, and hit this, and then just go to the settings of Roblox, click at the three dots at the top left corner, and click at settings, privacy, and we'll need to wait a bit. So here, and you'll need just to allow this option from here and the communication option. If you want even to connect with your contact, you would like to add a phone. So okay, I noticed actually you are not saying what I have here in the privacy, but don't worry. As I said, you will find an option there called communication, and just go and enable your voice chat. So this will be actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching, and goodbye.